My name is Jamie. I am a student at 청담, 평촌, and today I will be talking about my favorite season. There are always 4 seasons. There is spring, summer, fall, and winter. I like all seasons because in each season we can do many things. However, my absolutely favorite season is summer. I have 2 reasons to support my opinion. First of all, I can eat watermelon because watermelon is my favorite fruit in the world. It is sweet and juicy and also watery. I like the juice in the watermelon. My dad knows that I like watermelon, so he buys watermelon when he goes to the market. Once my dad bought a big one, so I ate more than usual. But I ate so much, so my stomach got sore. I decided that I will not eat watermelon very much. Second, I can go to the pool. I love swimming and my favorite is doggy paddle because I saw many times swimming. Yesterday, my swimming teacher said I can take one. I was so happy. In conclusion, I like summer the best because first, I can eat watermelon and second, I can swim. Thank you for listening to my presentation.